the First-Year Rossin Experience, which we also call FYRE. It is a redesign of our first-year experience for all Lehigh engineers. We're going to be piloting this in the fall for the first time with 36 of our incoming students. And we thought that it was really important for us as faculty to go through this experience ourselves. So that's what we get to do here.
So I am working on a water sampling device. For most students, the hands-on component is what drives home the knowledge and the learning. So this gives us a time to get back to the basics that brought us into this to begin with, that we can take into the classroom to hopefully inspire students.
It's kind of fun to be back, and I'm not even in the research lab so much as a dean these days, so to be back in the lab, so to speak, is a lot of fun. The fact that we can take an idea and that we can physically realize it, that's a power that we're giving our students now, that our students have, and so that's where we want to make sure that we provide them with the mindset of what it means to be an engineer, but also the skill sets to physically realize the systems they envision.